Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can customize your Shopify Dawn theme header. So the first thing that we should do is to go to the Shopify website and make sure to log into your account. Okay, so just use the search bar at the top and go to Shopify and log into your account. So just simply click on this option right here at the top right to check if you are on the correct store. Now next thing that you should do is to simply click on the online store option and then click on themes. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, my current theme is the Dawn theme. Now, if you cannot find here the Dawn theme and if you don't have a Dawn theme in the first place, you just simply scroll down right here and be able to see this theme library, and then you can click on the add theme option, or just simply scroll down and you'll be able to see here the Dawn theme. Okay, so just simply click on add after that, and then after adding this theme to your theme library, you'll then just have to click on the publish option, and then you'd be able to see this option right here, the customize. So just simply click on it after that. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you're here, so this is our Shopify Dawn theme. So to customize the header, what we're going to do is to simply click on the header section at the very top. Okay, so this one right here. So we have here my store, homepage, catalog, contact, and there's different icons. So now just simply click on it and then be able to see the option where we can customize the header at the left side. Okay, so this one, just simply click on the header, and right here at the left side we have these different options. Okay, we also have here the theme settings when we click on the gear icon or the settings. So we are going to explore these things later on. So let's head first to this section. So for the desktop logo position, we can click on top left, top center, or middle left. Okay, so after that one, we also have here the menu option. So if you would like to edit your logos, you can go to the theme settings. So before that, let's go to the desktop menu tab. So we have drop down mega menu drawer. So when you click on the drawer, as you can see, our menu disappeared. So I'm just going to use the drop down, and for the sticky header, so we have here on scroll up, always reduce logo size. I'm going to use this one. And then for the color scheme, so if you would like to change that, just simply click on the change option. Okay, so after customizing the desktop view, let us go to the mobile layout. So just have to scroll down and be able to see here the mobile layout. So just have to adjust these things. Now let's go to the theme settings. So let's start with our logo. So to add your logo, you just have to simply click on select image, and then you can actually upload from your computer. But for this video, I'm just going to explore the free images. So I just have to go here and then select the image that you want to use as your logo. So for the desktop logo width, you can adjust this one. And of course, you can also add a fave icon image. Now let's go to the colors. So for the scheme one, we are using this color actually. So if you'd like to customize that one, just click on it and then just click on the colors, and then you can now adjust the color that you want to use for the scheme. Okay, so I think I'll be using this one for you to see the difference. Now for the text, let me just click on this one, and then here if you like to change the solid button background, so you can just adjust the color. So if you are done adjusting the color scheme, we can now proceed to the next one. Okay, so let us go back right here and then try to scroll down if we made difference. Okay, so that's good. Now for the typography, so right here we have the heading. So for the font style, you can just click on this one. And then if you would like to search for a specific font style, so we can use the search bar at the top and then just click on that font style. Okay, and then after that, just simply click on select option. Okay, next is for the font size scale. So I just have to drag this one right here, and you can adjust the size of your font. Okay, so next for the body, we are using this font style, then the font size scale, and more. So you just have to explore those things, okay? Next for the layout. So when you go to the layout section, we have here the page width, the space between template sections, the grid, horizontal space, vertical space. So you just have to adjust those things. Okay, so we also have here the animations. So we have the hover effect, we have none, vertical left, or 30 left. So next one is the buttons. So we have here the thickness of our buttons, the opacity, the corner radius, the opacity for the shadow. Next one is the variant pills, inputs, product cards, and more. So let me just check if what else we can do here. So let's go to the blog cards. So for the blog cards, we have the style right here, the standard, and then the card. Okay, and then for the image padding, we can adjust this right here. So just simply drag the cursor. Next is for the text alignment, we have left, center, and right. And for the color scheme, so I just have to go here and then select the scheme that you want to use, or you can create another scheme. Okay, so here just have to scroll down and then explore the other things. Okay, so now going back to this section right here. So let me just try if what else that we can customize. So you can actually change here the different text. Now let us try to view this one in the mobile view, because not all of our clients are using laptop or PC. So some of them are using phones. So we also have to check this one if our theme is functional both on the desktop view, the mobile view, and the tablet view. Okay, so right here, if you think it is good on the mobile view as well, so you can also adjust things right here if you see that there are elements are missing. Okay, so the color is good, the texts are correct, and of course, the relevant icons are visible as well. Okay, so just have to go here at the left side and check if what else that we can add when we go to the mobile view. And then after checking out every details for the store, we can now save this edits. Okay, so just simply click on save at the top right. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.